Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn how to create detailed torn bandage. We will skip the basic and jump straight into creating those realistic rips and folds to give your model that perfect worn out look. So get Zbrush ready and let's get started. First, we need to import our FBX or OBJ file from your preferred software, Maya, Blender, etc. Then select your mesh which you want to convert to bandage. Create a new folder for the object in subtool. Remesh with Z remesher and subdivide it. After subdividing, we'll delete lower and import our SF cloth fold brush. I'll provide the link in the description below. Use the brush as your requirement. You can also use a standard brush to create this cloth fold effects and also smooth it to blend with the mesh. It will look good actually if you blend perfectly. I'll show how to do it later in the video. I am using Zbrush to adjust the mesh. Using mask lasso tool to mask out the areas I want to be removed. Refine your mask by unmasking some of the mask areas. Press Ctrl plus W to convert the mask areas into a new polygroup. Hold Ctrl plus Shift and select the newly formed polygroup. It will isolate the selected polygroup and do it again. In order to invert the selection, it will hide the polygroup you want to be hidden. Go to Modify Topology and delete hidden. Now I will use some of my pre-downloaded alphas to create torn patterns. Set your focal shift to 0 to get to generate alphas with clear edges. Fast forwarding the process. Repeating the process previously shown in the video. Now I am using the slice curve tool with holding Ctrl and Shift and drag. You can use Alt to change the direction. Now I am skipping that part. In order to give the mesh a thickness, go to Geometry, Then select edge loop. From there select panel loop. Readjusting the mesh with move tool. Using move topology brush, so I can work on individual poly groups. Mask the edges as we need here. Then go to surface, noise and edit. I am resetting and then turning off the previously used alpha. Using the default noise, adjust the parameters accordingly. Hit apply to mesh. Repeat the process for one more time. Adjusting the mask here. Then go to surface again, active noise and then edit. add your fabric texture here. Tweak the parameters. In subtool, duplicate the object for a backup. Use fiber mesh to generate fur-like meshes around the borders, the torn parts. Hit preview and tweak the parameters a bit under modifiers panel. Max fiber is to control the numbers of fiber meshes, and in length profile, tweak control length to adjust the length of the fiber mesh. In width profile, tweak the coverage to adjust the thickness of the fiber mesh. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the part 1 of our detailed bandage sculpting tutorial in Zbrush. I hope you find the tips helpful and enjoyed creating those realistic torn details. If you are excited to continue, make sure to like the video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the part 2, where we will dive even deeper into refining the texturing. Feel free to drop any questions, suggestions in the comment below. Keep sculpting and I'll see you in the next one.